Which plants can you use to treat wounds in survival? Imagine you're miles away from help and you get a cut or scrape. Knowing which plants can help you treat wounds could be a lifesaver. In the wild, some plants have natural properties that can stop bleeding, fight infection, and speed up healing. Let's go over a few of these plants and how to use them safely. First up is yarrow. This plant is famous for its ability to quickly stop bleeding because it helps blood clot. You can find yarrow with feathery leaves and clusters of small white or pink flowers. To use it, pick fresh leaves and flowers, crush them into a paste, and apply directly to the wound. It also has antiseptic qualities that help prevent infection. You can even make a tea from yarrow to use as a rinse or soak for wounds, but always keep the wound clean first. Next is plantain. This common weed grows almost everywhere and has strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. To use plantain, pick a fresh leaf, crush it into a pulp, and apply it as a poultice on the wound. It helps draw out toxins and reduces swelling. You can also make an infused oil by soaking crushed leaves in oil for a few days, then use that to clean or dress cuts. Echinacea is well known for boosting the immune system, but it also helps fight bacteria in wounds. Use the roots or leaves to make a poultice, but always keep the wound covered with sterile gauze if possible. Echinacea can help reduce inflammation and speed healing, especially if the wound shows signs of infection. Chaparral is another plant with strong antibacterial properties. Its leaves and flowers can be crushed into a poultice and applied to cuts and scrapes. It helps prevent infection and supports tissue repair. Be cautious with chaparral, as some people may have sensitivities, so test a small area first. Berberis plants, like barberry, contain compounds that fight bacteria. Crush the leaves or bark into a poultice and apply it to the wound. This can help keep infection at bay when you're in a survival situation. Willow bark is different because it contains salicin, which is a natural pain reliever similar to aspirin. While you shouldn't put willow directly on a wound, chewing small pieces of bark can help reduce pain and inflammation from injuries. Remember, always identify these plants carefully before using them. Use fresh parts whenever possible, and crush or grind them to release their medicinal compounds. Keep the wound as clean as possible and avoid overly wet or dry conditions. If you see signs of infection, like increased redness, swelling, or pus, seek medical help as soon as you can. Knowing how to use these plants can make a big difference when help is far away, giving you natural options to care for wounds in the wild.